Last time when everyone was bearish on Solana, I was bullish on Solana. I told my community that Solana is going to pump. Why? Because the Solana drop back then wasn't because of the fundamentals of Solana project. It was because of the FTX saga. You can see the FTX saga took Solana right down because of so many things happening within the ecosystem. Many people were saying that Solana was tied with the FTX fraud, Solana was this or that. And also the Fed came out saying that Solana is a security. So this caused the price of Solana to drop. Like you can see this drop down, right down to about $8. And I told people who were fearful that Solana is going to pump. And the reason I mentioned this was simple. The dip wasn't as a result of what was going on within the ecosystem of Solana. It was pure speculation as to what might have occurred with the FTX dip. And exactly the same thing going on here with OM Mantra. I mentioned long time ago that we are going to see some sort of movement with Mantra. I didn't know exactly when it's gonna be, but I do strongly believe that we are gonna see a massive pump with Mantra, and this pump is gonna be huge. Why? Look at this liquidity here. It can take us back to $6 and even more. Mantra dip wasn't as a result of the fundamentals. There have been lots of yes say this one say so and this one say that. Mantra has came out, strong, trying to like to make things better, be more transparent, to like build more trust. I made a video about Mantra not long ago. You can go and watch that video to give you more insight. But in today's video, I want us to take a closer look at price action on the lower time frame, because it's going to speak a lot of volume to us as to what is going on here with Mantra. If you're new on my platform, you are watching the BETONG Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help you understand what goes on in the market. I talk more about market structure, support and resistance, when to buy and when I'm selling. So if this sort of content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. And if say you as someone who want to start trading, you want to learn how to trade, I can help you with that. Make sure you go below this video, join my free Telegram community. From there, mention that you want to learn how to trade, and I'm going to tell you how to proceed. Oh boy, let's get into this bad boy. This coin, I mean, let's face it, guys. We make money when the market is in fear. When everyone is fearful, that's when we make money. You don't make money when everyone is bullish. No, you make money when everyone is fearful. That's why I strongly believe Mantra has taken us to a key area where we should be looking at a huge bounce back from here. I mentioned in my previous Mantra video that this dawn was gonna come somehow. I didn't know it was gonna be this saga within the ecosystem, but it was coming. Why? This coin has been in an uptrend constantly. Something was going to happen to bring price back at least to a level where other investors can look at it as cheap. And these are the levels that I think other investors are looking at it now as cheap. What is left now is for the team to keep building, keep being positive about the project, and keep coming up with new tools that is gonna make investors see that, wow, this is a project which is here to stay. Guys, this is one of the top projects in the real world asset space. In Dubai, they are one of the leaders in the space. So I think it's gonna pump. OM is gonna come strong, and these vector candles are going to be recovered. At least half of these vector candles are going to be recovered, if not all of it, at least half of it. And you want to be in this coin at this point in time. Don't wait for the coin to start pumping before you start buying it. And one thing I want us to look at is the open interest. You can see open interest has been dropping really drastically. If we go to the daily time frame, you're going to see that open interest has been dropping for Mantra. Like, it's at the record low. You can see it's really down, and it has deviated from this other metrics here, this indicator here, this 50-day moving average here, and also far away from the value area low and the value and the POC, the volume profile on this open interest. So I think what price is gonna do is at least make its way towards the value area low here, and this is gonna be halfway of this movement downward, and this is gonna take us to about 73 million open interest, and this might take us to let's see what price point for mantra might take us to about $2. Yeah, $2 mantra. That's why I think $1, $2 mantra is possible anytime soon. And if that's the case, let's see how many percent this movement is gonna take us from where we are currently to that key area. Let's see to $1. How many? Let's see about 1.5x, and if it goes to $2, let's see how many percent. Gonna be almost 4x. If it goes to 50%, it's gonna be 4x. But I think it's gonna go to about $2 or $3. Or maybe visit this high here, which is gonna be around $3 or $4. So if you're sitting there and thinking maybe this is not possible, go and look at what happened with Solana. Solana went right down to $8, and within no time we saw how Solana, moved drastically to the upside. So if you really want to take advantage of this, make sure you do it right now. Don't wait until it's too late again. Don't wait until it's too late. I think Mantra OM is about to explode to the moon. It's just a matter of when. I think soon. So if this content was helpful to you guys and you want me to keep doing more of such content, make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. I will set all these guys. See you the next one. Bye bye. Ciao.